Hi, I'm Alex, and today I'm going to share a complete guide to achieving your life goals. Life isn't just about dreams, it's about setting goals, planning, and consistent effort. A goal is your life map that guides every day, every decision, and every action. Achieving big goals takes time and effort, but if you break them into smaller, practical steps, reaching them becomes much easier. Doing a little every day, setting weekly targets, and tracking monthly progress gives you a clear picture of your advancement and reduces stress. Every day, take at least one action towards your goal. Making a daily plan gives you structure, focus, and guidance. Consistent effort is the foundation of any goal because just setting a goal isn't enough. Even small progress counts as a step toward success. Track your progress and monitor your actions, learning, and results. Understand your strengths and areas that need improvement. If progress is slow, identify the cause, adjust your plan, and try again. Every mistake is a learning opportunity, not a sign of failure. Failure is part of life and should be seen as a learning experience. Avoid negative thinking and see every mistake as a chance to improve. A positive mindset increases your effort, motivation, and resilience. Having a support network is also essential for achieving goals. Share your goals with family, friends, or a coach. Guidance, encouragement, and advice empower you and make it easier to overcome challenges together. Every obstacle and failure is part of progress. Resilience and patience are key to success. When you complete a milestone, reward yourself. This keeps your motivation high, refreshes your energy, and prepares you for the next goal. Growth doesn't end with setting goals. Continuously improve yourself, learn new skills, correct mistakes, and review your plans regularly. By setting your goals, maintaining consistent effort, tracking your progress, keeping a positive mindset, having a support network, managing failures, rewarding yourself, and continuing to learn, you can live a successful, happy, and balanced life. I'm Alex, and this guide is for anyone who wants to. Achieving a big goal directly can seem overwhelming. Break it into smaller, practical steps to make progress clear and manageable. Steps 1. Set daily tasks. Do something each day that moves you closer to your goal. 2. Set weekly targets. Review your progress at the end of the week. Third, track monthly progress. Record your learning, experiences, and achievements at the end of the month. Example, big goal, learn new skills. Small goals, daily practice, 30 minutes of study or practical exercise. Weekly goal: complete one important topic. Monthly review: analyze learning outcomes. Benefits: progress becomes visible. Stress is reduced. Motivation and focus remain high. Scheduling and consistent effort: every day, take at least one action towards your goal. A daily plan gives you structure, focus, and direction. Consistent effort is essential because simply setting a goal is not enough. Even small steps count as progress toward success. Example: I, Alex, follow a daily schedule for professional learning. Morning: 30 minutes of study. Afternoon: 45 minutes of practical practice. Evening: 30 minutes of reflection and review. Tracking progress: record your progress, monitor your actions, learning, and results. Identify your strengths and areas that need improvement. If progress is slow, find the reason, adjust your plan, and try again. Mistakes are learning opportunities, not failures. Example: every week, I, Alex, review my learning and skills. I note mistakes and failures to correct them in the future. Maintaining a positive mindset: failure is part of life and should be seen as a learning opportunity. Avoid negative thinking and see every mistake as a chance to improve. Example: whenever I, Alex, fail, I tell myself, I'm learning, and I will succeed next time. A positive mindset strengthens effort, motivation, and resilience. Having a support network. A support network is essential for achieving goals. Share your goals with family, friends, or a coach. Guidance and encouragement empower you and make challenges easier to overcome. Example: I, Alex, share my goals with teammates and my coach so we can solve problems together and maintain continuous progress. Benefits: encouragement and motivation. Increase new strategies and perspectives are gained. Challenges are solved collaboratively.